Hey everyone, Mark here at Hyundai here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. This is a 2019 Hyundai Elantra Luxury Edition. Check this out, tons of standard features. A couple accessories too we should mention. You got a nice bug deflector there. You got the upgraded alloy wheels. Lots of tread. I'm going to tell you why there's so much tread in 2 seconds. Turn signal indicators. We'll do a quick walk around. You got push button start, proximity key. Really funky color. So we like to do these walk arounds so people see the overall condition of the car, especially if you're shopping from your couch or your mobile phone. Gives you a real good idea what the vehicle looks like before you come in. We like to be fully transparent, and we feel that is the best way to do business. You got mud flaps. I'll show you those. So this customer definitely dressed up this car with some accessories to accessorize. Nice fog lights. So again, I still haven't told you the reason this car is so special, but we'll get to that. I want to show you some more interior features. We'll start in the trunk. So again, the Luxury has a ton of upgrades like leather. We'll move these mats. We keep the mats back here just so the car stays nice and clean. You got split folding rear seats, 60/40. So if you got a little bit extra lumber or something, a little project at home, you can definitely fold these seats back, get that in there. There's the nice leather seating. Again, just came out of the detail department. Sunroof. Power windows. Okay, so let's get to the real awesome part about this vehicle. Maybe a couple more features. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Here's some safety features. Adaptive cruise, lane departure warning. You got traction control and interior illumination. Adjustable driver's seat. I know, everybody wants to know why. Check this out, here we go. Turn it on. 6,300 kilometers on this car. 6,300? What a deal, as Jeff Joubert would say. So let's go over some more of the features. All your volume controls, mode, Bluetooth right on the steering wheel. Information center, cruise control, all on the steering wheel. Let's keep going here. Heated steering wheel, 3-stage heated seats, both sides. Drive mode, because it's electric steering, you can tighten or loosen the steering depending on how you like it. How about this feature? Remote starter, push button start, proximity key, all your inputs down there. Dual zone climate control, really well, easily laid out. Infotainment center right up here, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera, tons of standard features, and of course only 6,300 kilometers. I keep going back to that because with our cars you get warranty up to 100,000 kilometers. So that is an amazing thing. So again, tons of warranty, tons of features, tons of accessories. This car's got it all. 2019 Hyundai Elantra Luxury Edition. Shop 24/7 at Hyundai.com.